then we will start the FISD integration. But before that, I want to show you one, that is the stock issue to production. Yeah, one more step I want to show.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Please tell me.
Sir, in Migo, while I'm doing purchasing document is not yet released. It's again coming, sir. I'll check. I'll check it, but it's again coming.
Anybody else got the same issue?
No, sir.
Hmm.
I got one error, sir. Good.
Is it your own laptop or online server?
Online server, sir.
So
I
you are,
got,
yes.
Hello, sir. Sir, good
Yeah.
evening.
I got,
Good evening, sir. Sir, next batch will start when, sir?
You check with them. I don't look into all these timings and all. So they will plan actually. They will let me know. As you know, I will also know. That's it. Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Huh.
sir, I got also one error, sir, in Migo. Back posting only W, same price control, sir.
Back posting only.
W, same price control. Is this showing?
Which record we are getting that problem?
Migo, sir. Good system.
Back posting you have ticked. From somewhere we will tick na back posting. Allow back posting. I think it is OMS SF or SF or something. Let me check. /n OMSF. /n OMSY. Yeah, here ABP. Just check whether you have ticked or not. Okay.
Hello, sir.
OMSY. Yeah, please check for your company code. Okay.
Sir,
Thank you.
Yes. Yes.
sir, in Miro, like if we get an error in account determination, can you tell me why am I getting like that?
Yeah, the link is not working. Na? That it could be anywhere. Your plant is not linked to valuation grouping code, or raw material is not linked to the valuation class, or valuation class valuation grouping code is not correctly linked to your GL account.
Hello,
Somewhere
sir.
the link is broken. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Hello,
I
sir.
created a new material also. Again, it coming, sir. Purchasing document not yet released.
Yeah. So the problem is with your purchase order, right? When you are creating, just check what is the order type we have here. Here, standard purchase order. It should be like this.
Hello, sir.
If it is
Correct, sir.
something else,
Standard PO only, sir.
standard PO only, then
sir.
something mistake is there.
There are 3 standard POs in server, sir.
See, people are like, I don't have this is original what I have. Somebody is playing with the server, right? You see, I have only one. Got it. So somebody disturbed the standard PO. That is what it is. Yeah. Please check. You try to create in all the 3. At least one will work.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. I will check it, sir, again.
So on one of them is original, other 2 are just copied and changed. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Now,
Hello, sir.
yes.
Sir, after doing standard version in Miro completing document, document was blocked, sir.
It will okay. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Yeah. If the price is changed, it will come like that. Don't worry. So tolerance, whatever tolerance is there on the MM side, if it is crossing that, you will get that. Don't worry about it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So that was about so I was talking about the material issue. Okay. Next. So we have already talked about this one, the price controls and everything. Now suppose you are issuing the material to production. Okay, before we go to FISD, we will talk about material issue to production. Clear?
The material issue is the part of P2P.
It's not part of P2P. Part of P2P, right? Understand the P2P, right? You should not get confused. P2P means what? Expand it.
Procure to payment, sir.
Procure to payment, sir.
From the time I want to buy something to the time
And
I pay for it. And now
Yes,
issue
sir.
material issue is coming in there in the middle.
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
sir.
That is over. That cycle is over.
Okay, sir.
That's procurement cycle is over. I wanted to buy something, I bought it, I bought it and I paid for it. Finish. Correct.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now I have the stock in my godown. Now what I am doing? I'm issuing to production, right? Now I'm just not buying raw material to store, na. I'm buying raw material to manufacture. To manufacture, I have to give to production, na. Correct? So the production department is separate. Stores department is separate. Now anybody cannot come and just take the material, na? Otherwise there is no control on the material. Correct? So there is a proper mechanism, proper controls in place. Whenever we are giving the material, it is recorded. Okay, in production, how much is there? In stock, how much is there? Correct? Okay, so material issue to production. So now, okay, what is the T code? MB1A. Yeah, no doubt. Material issue to production. Now you tell me, when I am issuing the material to production, is there a movement there or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Material movement is there or not?
From store to production.
Yes, sir.
So it is a movement in or movement out?
Movement out, sir.
Out.
Movement out.
Movement out. So movement out means my FI should be updated or not?
Updated.
Updated, sir.
Yes, sir. Update, sir.
How it should be updated? Manually or automatically?
Automatically.
Automatically.
Correct. Did we give the accounts for this automation updation?
No.
Did we already give the accounts for this automatic updation?
Yes, sir. GRIR. No, increase and decrease in finished good.
Hmm? Did we create the GL account and assign the GL account for this entry, automated entry?
No.
Now, what is the automated entry? What do you think is automated entry we are going to get here? If I issue the material to production, what should be the automated entry? Accounting entry.
Raw material consumption.
Raw material
Material consumption.
consumption account
Debit.
to
Increase or decrease?
Raw material account.
inventory raw material account. Because raw material is coming down now.
Yes, sir.
So now, did we assign these accounts or not?
Yes, we
Yes,
assign.
yes,
Sir, increase and decrease in finished good.
No, I am not talking. We don't issue finished goods to production. Think logically.
Okay.
We issue raw material, na? Correct?
Yeah.
So why increase by decrease in finished goods is coming here?
Sir, we are already assigned, sir. GBP, VBR, and
So this entry, how it is coming?
GBP,
PBR.
Correct. I
VBR.
told you this entry is already written. Look back your notes.
Inventory raw material B6.
It is there.
Yes, sir.
There already. Correct. You go back to few pages. Go back. You look at it. Correct. This one, how we are getting?
BS6.
BS6.
Is it clear? So now this all the linkages we have already done. Correct. Okay. Now, so now I am going to issue. How much is the stock I have? So if I have the stock only, then only I can issue, na?
Yes, sir.
How much stock I have? Suppose I want to check. Where I can check?
MM02.
MM0.
MM02.
MM02 or MM03?
MM03. Yeah. But there is one more place, right? MMDE. MM.
Stock register, sir.
Yeah, stock register. Yeah, you can go there. Correct? Yeah. So there is one more place where you can see which material you want to see.
RM1.
RM1. Correct. Okay. Now which location?
Sir, is there any T code for we see all the PO in single place, sir?
All the POs. PO list.
Yes, sir.
Maybe you can see there itself ME21, ME23 and something like that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, because usually there will be huge number of POs. Maybe you can do one thing, SE16N, you can go like this. And then what is the table for the purchase orders? It is EKPO. Okay, if I execute for my company code, okay, let me see if company code is there. Let me see. Material group, if you can give any of this. Okay. Or you can give your vendor number also. If anything is there, purchasing document, material, company code. What is our company code? NCL. Oh, sorry. T. Okay, execute. Yeah, got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can, the table name is EKP.
Okay, sir.
Sir, in Miro, we are not getting the tax code automatically. We have to give in OMR2.
We have to give in OMR2.
Actually, when we drop down, it's not giving the tax codes.
I understand. Somebody, yeah, no problem. If it is required, you give. Okay. Yeah. So somebody is, the standard you must have disturbed. Just give. Yeah. Yeah. So let me see if it is applying at what level. Position. What is our company code?
Sir, can we know the name who is disturbing this? I mean,
We cannot know. No. Again, we have to check what changes are happening. Yeah. We cannot check. It's you can find it out, but it will take lot of effort. That is the thing. Yeah. Now admin people, we need to allocate somebody to do all this. It is lot of effort basically to find out who it is.
Now it's deleting tax codes too, sir.
Tax codes also is deleting. Huh?
I deleted my all tax codes. I have to create the all tax code again, sir.
Why people have so much time, I don't understand, right?
Yeah, sir. Someone also disturbed the standard where we do the MM01 3000. There is a standard raw material class. He deleted that one.
3000 also.
Yeah, and when we are assigning copying with another person's raw material, but after some steps,
I understand. Valuation class you are talking.
yeah,
right?
yeah, there is getting this step. I'm not able to do it. From 2 to 3 days, I'm trying.
So the problem here is we don't know all this, right? We are not MM people, right? And if they, if they delete like this, then standard, we are relying heavy on the standards.
Yeah, I'm stuck there from the like 2 to 3 days right now.
Yeah, yeah.
It's the best option to get offline.
Oh, the best solution for all this is if you get it installed in your, if you have a laptop, and if you can afford to buy, or if you have a laptop and if you can get it installed, it's only 400 to 500. Get it installed, you can do. It will be there for lifelong. Correct.
Sir, how much time it will take, sir, for installation?
8 hours. 8 hours.
But sir, right now we can't do now. I live in Nagpur, so I have to go there.
It takes 2 hours, sir.
Yeah. 2 hours
only, yes, sir.
Yeah. Just check with them, right? If they are busy, they will take long hours. It depends on the system. So many factors. Don't do it outside. Don't do it outside. Why don't do it outside is because they see if you take a copy of my system, right? So whatever changes I have done in my system, same copy will move forward.
Yes, sir.
Understand? So what all the changes, what all the things they have done before, all that will come to your place. It's a big headache.
Okay.
So we want a fresh copy, na?
Yes.
That's why you get it done. Again, it is no use, na? If someone has changed it, deleted all those things, that thing if you giving to you, what is the use to it? Correct? Yeah. Again, it will, you don't know where the problem is. Correct.
Sir, offline server also working like this only.
Exactly same as it is. Mine is offline. Mine is offline only.
Oh, okay.
What you are seeing is offline. Okay. Now, MB1A, correct? So first, let me check the stock MMB, RM1. So how much stock we have now? RM1, I think around 450, correct?
Yes, sir.
Let me see. Yeah, 450. In this company code for this plant, for the storage. See, pictures also they have given. This is the plant. Yeah, someone who does not know English, yeah, they can also understand. Yeah, storage. Yeah, there is a storage box here. There is a plant picture here. Correct. Now there is a dollar sign here. Company code. Yeah, money. Correct. Full. Correct. Now, so I have a stock. Now I want to issue MB1A. MB1A, goods issue to production. Correct. So movement type. What is the movement type? Issue for consumption, basically. Correct. Consumption for cost center from warehouse. Do you agree with this? Yeah. Warehouse means our stores, right?
Storage.
Go down. So to cost center. Cost center is which cost center? Which cost center? We are issuing to which cost center?
P1.
Production cost center. Correct. Yeah. So now what do you understand, right? What do you understand here? So already FIMM you are talking, na? But do you think it is only FIMM? No. So it is FI, CO and MM. Correct or not? See here. So till now we have been saying it is FIMM integration, but no, already CO is linked to FI. Correct. So you see now 3 modules are working together. RM1 location. Correct. Yeah. Now press enter. It is asking you see GL account. Na? Which cost center it is asking? GI for cost center. Now cost center is which topic? FI topic or CO topic?
CO topic.
Now I'm talking about between FI and MM. Where is this CO is coming in the middle? Because FI is not alone now, right? FI has a backup. So now if you say only FIMM is wrong, FI, CO and MM, 3 are working together. Correct? Do you agree? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now which cost center you give me? You tell me.
P100.
Yeah. Correct. Already this cost center is there.
Yes, sir.
Which material we are issuing?
RM1.
RM1. How much we want to issue?
100.
100. No problem. 100. Okay. Now storage location RM1, everything fine. Enter. Plant, everything is okay. Next. Error. Create 4,50,000 raw material consumption account as a cost element.
Not converted to cost element.
Not.
The cost element for that.
So we have to do it as a cost element. Now what should I do now?
FS00.
FS00. Correct. So now go to your company code. Now expenses, consumption account,
50,000.
change,
Change.
and then what should I do?
GW.
Go to trade bank interest.
Yeah, don't worry about this. Yeah, no need to change.
Edit
it.
cost
Edit
element.
cost
Trade
element.
cost element.
Enter.
Master
Cost element.
Element category.
One na primary
One.
cost only na consumption.
Yes.
See, so this I have converted into
Cost element.
cost element. Perfect.
So
Next.
no need to change field status group.
This is better. This is specifically for material consumption.
Okay.
You understood? It's not like general, it's a cost account, it is a general account, not like specifically designed for consumption only. Got it? Yeah. This is a consumption account. Na? This what can best fit than this. Correct?
It will be changed. Then
Consumption related profiles will be problematic. Got it? Yeah. So deemed that the cost is also covered in it. Okay, cost related fields also covered in it. Now next. So now I am going back to MB1A again. Okay, go line. Okay now. So now what should I do? I will give the T. Okay, fine, everything fine. Press enter. Now cost center. Which cost center?
P100.
P1. Perfect. What is the material?
TRM1.
Quantity how much?
100.
Enter. Okay. So I am saying we are receiving 100 goods to production. So this screen, whatever I'm talking, MB1A, who will do this screen in reality, in real time?
User.
Same guy na who is doing Migo and all. Yeah, same guy na. Goods receipt, goods issue, right? Same guy. Imagine somebody sitting on a counter, they're taking the goods, issuing the goods. Get it now? Understood? Yeah, that guy.
Will be
Exactly, right? He's taking the receipt, the goods, issue the goods. Correct?
sure.
Is it clear? So he is updating that I am giving 100 kgs to production in the system, in the SAP system. So now what do you think? FI automated entry should be posted or not?
Should be posted.
Yes, sir.
What is the entry?
Raw material consumption
Raw
to
material
inventory raw
consumption
material account.
account debited to inventory raw material account credited.
Let us see whether it is working or not. Okay. See. Let us see. So let us see one more check I am doing for my integration. Yes, document is posted. Okay. So now goods issue, go to, yeah, goods issue, display. Yeah, this is the material document. Na? Yeah, material document. Yeah, material document date and here click on the overview. Okay, so now one accounting document, it's in this details for the item, material related information, accounting related information. Correct or not? Material document contains material related information, finance related information. What is material related information? Now here you put the cursor here, put on the material. Okay, what information it is telling? Okay, this is the material. Correct? Now this is the material master data it is showing. Okay, no problem. Next. Material type, the details of the item. So what is movement type, how much, which cost center, which GL. This is the general information. Okay, so other messages, so many information is there here, right? Okay, so now go back. So go back to our accounting information. Go to accounting information. Now accounting document. You see, controlling is getting updated, finance getting updated, CO getting updated, profit center also getting updated. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Accounting, this is finance, na? From
Yes, sir.
finance, it is going to CO, correct?
Yes.
Which cost
Yes, sir.
center? Which cost center?
P100.
P100.
From cost center is under controlling, right?
Yes,
sir.
From cost center, it is going to profit center. Is it correct?
Yes.
Our profit center accounting is active or not?
Active.
So P100 connected to which profit center?
Hyderabad Profit Center.
Got it? So everything is getting updated. So first let us check the accounting document. Correct? This is it. So now you see cost center, profit center, everything is coming now. Automated entry, in automated entry, data flow is happening.
Yes.
Clear? Now you tell me why I got this 1 or 2, 2, 2, 2 like this. Why?
Moving
Because,
average we select.
Moving average. sir.
Price
Moving
variance.
average.
yeah, because our material is following which price control?
Moving
Moving average.
Correct? Right now, what is the moving average price? 102.22
102.2
into 100.
Yes.
Got it? Got it? Yes. Okay. So automated entry is getting posted or not?
Yes, yes, sir.
So this consumption account, how I got?
Automatic.
GBB, VBR.
GBB plus VBR.
What is GBB?
It is
Offsetting ka account.
Offsetting. Yeah. This is the main. This is the main one. Raw material is BSX.
Yes.
It is going down. Why it is going down? Because of the GBB
Offset.
VBR.
Yes.
Offsetting. What type of offsetting? Consumption offsetting. Correct. So correct or not? Yeah. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
So it is about understanding what is happening. And always understand. Don't drift into POs. Yeah, posting goods clerk. Don't become. We are not becoming goods clerk. Yeah, don't drift into that area. Always think about GL accounting entries, how they are coming. Correct? That is more important. Correct? for purchase order, postings, all that end user is there. He will, that is his job. Na? Now we will not attend interview for end user, right? Correct. We are attending interview for FI consultant. Correct? Yeah. No. Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me.
Sir, this moving average you said 102 means yesterday we had done different, na?
Yesterday, what different we have done? Now,
It
if I
is-
go to MM0,
This is TERM1, sir.
This is TERM1. Yesterday's is
We have
TERM2.
changed in TERM2.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've done yesterday for standard base.
let me show him, his doubt will be clear. Yeah. What is the moving price? 102.22.
Okay.
So now only how much stack is left? 350. 350 into 102.22. How much it is? 35.7.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So now that is the MB1A. Correct? Issue to production. Now after I go, the material is going to production, then what will happen? That raw material will become what? In production. So what will come out of production?
Finished goods.
Finished good. Now, correct. It will not go as raw material and come out as raw material. No? No. It will come out as a finished good. Correct. Now what will happen to the finished goods? You tell me what will happen. Now imagine finished goods have come out. What will happen?
Go to sales.
No. Yeah. No, customer is not waiting outside our production department. No?
It will go to
Immediately after production, directly is taking the delivery.
It will go to storage location.
storage
Location.
Sales department, sir.
It will go where?
Warehouse.
So again
Warehouse.
back to the same guy. Understand? Again back to same guy. Warehouse. In warehouse. We have raw material storage location and
Finished.
finished
both
goods.
we created, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Inventory.
Right. So from raw material location, raw material is going to production. After production, finished goods will come out. And again, it will go back and store in the warehouse in finished goods location.
Yes, sir.
Right. Again, that guy has to issue, right? He has to issue to customer for delivery. Correct or not? Right? Not customer does not mean the buying guy. It could be distributor. It could be anybody, wholesaler, whoever it is. You understood? So, but temporarily it should be stored in the warehouse or not?
Yes, sir.
From production, we are not selling. Yeah, don't clear that misunderstanding. We are not selling directly from production. No, always it will go back to warehouse again.
Warehouse.
So from the warehouse, from our plant, warehouse is nothing but plant. Yeah. So from the plant, from the warehouse, from raw material storage location, raw material is going to production. After production, finished goods will come out. Again, finished goods will go back to plant. That is the warehouse. In the warehouse, it will go to finished goods location. Correct. From there, depending upon the sales, it will be delivered to the customer. Correct? Yes? Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
So you should understand the process in a company like this. Okay, it happens like this. Correct? We cannot directly sell from production to customer. Not possible like that. Correct? Right. Now. Okay, so that's why we have to discuss SD now. Correct? SD. Okay, let us note down now. So now what we have, FISD, right? FISD.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell.
So in real time, first integration will be of MM, then SD, or first SD, then MM?
In real time, we do all of them together. Understand? SD consultant will not sit idle, na? You understand? Correct? We are all together, right? I am doing my FI enterprise structure, chart of accounts, I am building. Now that guy, MM guy is doing his structure. Now SD guy is doing his structure. Correct? Then when I want to connect with MM, I will connect with MM. When I want to, suppose MM guy is slow. Now SD guy is ready. He is saying, I want to connect with you. Okay, let's connect. You understand? Okay, let's later do the MM. But after you do everything, then you will check it whether everything is working or not. Correct or not? There is no fixed rule that you have to do like this only. Depending upon the process, your consultants and all that, you will go on. Understand? So in the real time, because you know all the topics, because you have a complete understanding of all the topics, all will start together. See, if you take FICO, it is not like I will complete FI, then I will do CO. No, wrong. When I am doing in the starting itself, I will create the GL and I will create it as a cost element together, right? CO also will be built up simultaneously. Is it clear? Yeah. So it's not like, see, so here what we did, first we learned FI because we don't know. First we learned FI, then we will went on to CO, correct? But in real time, what you can do if you know FI, CO together, can you create the GL account in the beginning itself rather than creating as again changing the field status? In the beginning itself, you can create both as a cost element, no? Correct? Yeah. So OKKP controlling area also you will create simultaneously and then you proceed. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let's go ahead with the FISD. FISD indeed. Next. So now what do you understand? Why we are doing? First question is why we are doing this? You know why we did FIMM.
We have finished goods. So we
Connection between
we
FI
want
and
to say
MM
solve.
is automatic entry.
We need to solve.
Whatever changes happened in MM, it should be recorded in the FI.
Okay, that is FIMM. What about FISD?
Whatever
the
sales
it
and
automatically
transactions
updates
happened
in
in
FI.
SD.
Be updated in the FI.
Updated in
That's why
FI.
we are using FISD integration.
Here, already 3 modules are already integrated. What are the 3 modules? FI, CO, MM. The 3 are working together.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now I am bringing a SD. Correct. So even though I am calling it as FISD, it is not really FISD. What is it?
FICO, MM,
MM
and SD.
and SD. So SD is connecting with what modules? SD connecting with FI.
FI, MM.
SD connecting with
CO,
SD connecting with MM. That is the logic here. Okay. So here what is happening is whenever sales is happening, now sales, SD people, sales people, they will be doing sales now. Now for that sales, information about that sales should go to MM. Correct or not? Why it should go to MM? Why it should go to MM?
How much?
The stock is
How much? How
After
much
the
net goods
production,
will
it will go to the back to the
Finished goods warehouse.
warehouse?
it comes
Correct.
into
So
MM.
after sales, before sales also there is connection. Before sales, suppose a customer is asking 1000 units. Now who should tell me whether the stock is there or not?
MM.
Warehouse people.
Correct. MM. Now suppose if the sale has happened. Now sale is over. Now after sales, who should deliver to the customer?
MM.
MM. Because stock, who is taking care?
MM people.
Now my finished goods are in MM warehouse, na FG1.
Yes, sir.
So from there only we issue, na? So that information about the sale should go to the delivery, correct? So to the MM, right? So after that delivery, that information should go from MM to FI. Correct. Same way, the sales related information should go from SD to FI. So these two things will match, right? Sales information, billing price. Sales information, billing price will go from SD to FI. Same way, delivery information will go from MM to FI. Correct. So, okay, this customer, we have delivered this much and we said that we will sell it for this price. Okay. Now, let us follow up and collect the money. Is it clear? Yeah?
Yes.
So, the sales is happening on the SD front, but the sales billing information should reach finance. Why? To collect the money. That is billing price. Correct. Next. Whether the delivery, no, without delivery, can you ask the customer, please pay the money? No. So who is doing the delivery? The delivery posting is happening on the MM. So MM delivery, that information should come to FI.
SD.
Correct. From MM to FI. Correct. Because after the delivery, after that billing matching, we will do the collection of the money from the customer. See, all the things are working together here. So I want to have this, to have this big picture. Correct? That is how the business is run. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So shall we do FISD now? Integration? No. Now steps.
Yes, sir.
What is the first thing we have to do here? SD consult.
SD consultant.
Good. So again, how many we have? We have about 17 steps here. Okay. Less. 17 steps. These are not our area. This is just SD consultant job. Don't worry about it. Just do it. Okay. Now, then we have FI consultant jobs related to integration. Related to FI SD integration. Yeah.
Sir, in FIMM, 19 or 22 steps are there, right?
20 are there. 20.
20. Okay.
Correct? 20 are there. Okay. Now next. Now the next this is the first one. No? We have to do this. Then next what we have to do? We have to do the FI consultant. Then we have as usual end user jobs. So end user means it could be any end user, na? FI end user, MM end user, SD end user, any end user. Okay. Yeah. Next. Then we have the O2C cycle.
Order to cash.
Order to cash. So now you tell me,
This is
order,
correct, right?
order means what? Which order?
Sales order.
Sales order.
It's not purchase order here. Correct. Sales order. Correct. So who will give the sales order?
Customer.
Customer will give us the sales order, right? We will give the purchase order to the vendor. Here, customer will give the sales order to us. So customer purchase order, actually customer purchase order will become our sales order.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So customer will give their purchase order to us. He wants to buy, which will become the sales order to us. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah. You are giving purchase order to somebody. Your purchase order will become his sales order.
Our vendor sales.
Yes, sir.
To the vendor, it is a sales order. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now here we are saying order means sales order. From the time, understand, it's a cycle. It's a cycle, right? Cycle. Cycle means cycle will start, cycle will end. Again, cycle will start, again it will end, right? It's a cycle. So when the cycle is starting here, when there is a order, sales order, right? We got a sales order. Okay, fine. So for that sales order, what we will do? What
Issue the goods.
Huh?
Configure the finished good. Create the finished.
Finish the goods. Issue.
First one is create, yeah, or post sales order, right? Yeah. Create sales order. Then next, what is the next step?
Goods delivery.
Post selling.
Yes, goods. Think opposite. There it is purchase order. For purchase order, what we are doing? Goods.
Goods received.
Receive. Now you don't receive, na?
Yeah, we will
Delivery.
Delivery.
Goods delivery. Customer.
Correct. So right. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This is VA01. The T code is VA01. Okay, note down. Right, note down. Next. This is VL01N. Okay, so we delivered the goods to the customer. Okay, what is the next one?
Invoice issue.
Yeah, sales billing. We are billing, na? That is nothing but customer invoicing. Correct, na? Invoicing. That is VF01. Good. Next. So now we have billed the customer also. Then
Clearing the customer.
Payment received.
receive customer payment. F dash 28.
28.
Okay, so from the time order got to the time it is converted into cash. Cash means what? Proper. If the check is received, now the check should be converted into money, right? Cash means not just cash. Cash means money is in your bank account, right? It could be bank account or anyway, it is converted. And if the customer is giving us a check, if it bounces, it's not, the cycle is not over. Got it? It should be converted into cash. Cash means not here. Don't go by the literal value, right? Don't think that if it is coming into bank account, it is not cash. It is cash. Yeah, I cashed it. Check encashed means what? Check encashed means what? Even if
Converting the
Receive the cash.
yeah. So
Converting
it
the
does
cash.
not mean that it is cash only, right? If it is deposited into your bank account also, it is encashed only. Correct or not? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That is cash. Means from the time we have got the order to the time it has been converted into cash. Right, clear? So now create sales order. Now you tell me what is the entry here?
No
No
entry.
No, there is no entry.
No change, na? Just an order. Correct. Okay, then so we got the sales order. Perfect. Next, this one, goods delivery to customer. Now, is there a movement there or not there?
Yes.
Movement, sir. Movement is there.
Now, is it a movement in or movement out?
Movement in.
Movement out.
Finished goods to customer.
No,
Movement
customer
out.
to finished goods.
Movement out, na? Okay, movement out. Tell me what is the entry?
Customer to finished goods.
Goods account to
No,
customer account.
this is just delivery, na? This is delivery, na?
Yeah.
Correct? So delivery, it's not billing, na? Why customer will?
Customer to finished goods, sir.
No, this is not billing. This is not invoice.
Okay, okay.
Correct? See, in our Miro only we got this is like Migo. In Migo, are we mentioning vendor?
No.
Vendor will
Those
come
are
at
good
the time
receipt
of,
from vendor. Yeah.
At the time of sales. Yes.
at the time of Miro invoicing, we are mentioning vendor, na? Not before that. Correct? You understood? Yes. See,
Yes, sir.
if I talk like this, now in P2P cycle, understand it is the same P2P cycle. In P2P cycle, I create the purchase order. Correct? This is the purchase order. First step, create purchase order. Okay. Then after that, what I am doing? Second thing is goods receipt. Correct. So for goods receipt, am I saying raw material account data to vendor account?
No, sir.
No.
GR.
IR account. Okay. So now you tell me. But
Increase or decrease FG.
GR, I know, sir. IR what, sir?
IR is invoice receipt. Okay.
Okay.
Increase or decrease FG.
So now our finished goods delivery, that finished goods delivery is FG goods, finished goods delivery to customer. So now tell me, finished goods are coming down or going up?
Going.
Going, sir.
Down.
Coming down.
Down.
So what should I do? Debit or credit?
Debit, sir.
Debit.
Credit, sir. Finished goods should
Credit,
be
sir.
credit. Credit, sir.
Finished good debit, sir.
We are not going to receive the finished goods.
Finished goods account is asset.
Credit, sir.
Is an
Asset, sir.
Asset is going down, right? Coming down.
Yes, sir. It should be credit.
Yeah, my finished
Sir,
goods are
finished goods.
less, na? Because they are going on.
Credit,
So
sir.
what? Credit or debit?
Credit, sir.
Credit, sir.
Credit.
Credit, sir.
Okay, then what should I debit? Offsetting. This is BSX. Understand?
Yes.
Decrease
This is
account.
BSX.
Decrease.
Customer
Increase
Offset.
FG account. Sir.
Increase
What
bar,
comes
decrease in Finished goods account.
What comes in debit, what goes out credit? Say finished goods going out. So
It is
it is
account
credit.
principal.
Okay. So now what? How I got this? Did we assign this
EBP
account
plus
already?
ZOF.
ZOF.
EBP plus ZOF.
All this I already discussed with you guys. You just
Yes, sir.
go back.
Yes, yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Now you tell me why we do not have the GRIR here. Why we do not have the GR? We should have
Is the
GRIR.
receipt?
We are not receiving any goods
Yeah,
and
the
invoice. We are sending the goods and invoice.
receipt or
We are not receiving goods.
There is one important point. Okay, let me answer that question. GRIR. Account credit. Okay, suppose this entry is understand like this 10,000. Okay, this is also 10,000. Correct. Okay, this is also 10,000. Now what I am doing, third one is invoice receipt. Correct. Yeah. Now there what I am posting, GR bar IR account is debited to vendor account credited. Correct. How much? 10,000.
10,000.
Correct. So now why I have this GRIR? Can you tell me?
Increasing or decreasing?
No. What is the purpose of the GRIR?
Sir, we receive the goods, but we want to check it.
Cross-check purpose.
You want to compare the
Cross-check.
Cross-check between GR and IR.
Cross-check and cross-check.
Correct. So whatever the value of the goods that we received, same value bill should come. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm repeating, right? So in just understand, it is very important to understand the business. Correct? See, if you are a doctor, first you should understand the patient's mentality. Correct now? What is correct? Correct? You should understand him, right? Correct? So then you can treat him better. So it's important to understand the business process. You cannot say whatever it is, right? Because it will not work for the business. You should understand there is a business running. It's like life, it is running. You should understand their process. If you understand, you can suggest better. Correct. So in what is happening? Whatever goods, whatever is the value of the goods receipt, same value invoice should be coming. Should come. Correct. You agree or not? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Whatever
Yes, sir.
value of the goods receipt from vendor, same value invoice should come from vendor. Agree?
Yes.
Okay. From vendor. You agree with this? Yeah. So that's why we are checking, right? So the goods receipt 10,000, invoice also should be for 10,000. Agree? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I use the same sentence, just understand, if I use the same sentence in SD, you see, now I am going up. You see, same sentence if I am using here. Okay, here. Yeah, after billing, suppose I am saying like this. In SD, if I say this in SD, whatever is the value of the goods delivered
To customer.
to customer, correct? To customer, same, no, it's not same, sorry, it is same, na? Same it is. To customer. So here also, no mistake it is. Here also it is not save, it is same. It is same value. Correct? You agree with this, na? Yeah?
Yes.
Whatever is the value of the goods receipt, same value invoice should come. Correct? There should not be any difference. Correct? No. Now here you if I say the same sentence here, whatever is the value of goods delivered to customer, same value invoice should be Should be
Issued to
customer. Do
Customer.
you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is wrong. Why it is wrong? Why it is? This sentence is wrong for the SD. Why?
Because we can send the goods then instead of
When
instruct.
producing the goods, there is a we can get scrapness. Material value.
No.
We want a profit now, sir.
Yes.
Before delivery only.
It is
Profit.
not direct.
Profit. We need profit, na? If the value, if the same value, if you are giving to the customer, then you don't want any profit, huh?
Yes, sir. We only service the customer.
Correct. See, in between this, whatever. See, this is in our company. Up to here, up to this delivery to customer, we are recording in our company. But from here, it is the value that is going to customer is customer billing, na? Correct. So now there is a difference between the goods delivered value and the invoice value. Why? Because there is a profit element.
अरे क्यों नहीं आया तो तुम अब ड्रिंक करने ना को जाओ मैं आ रहा हूँ ड्रिंक करने जा रहे बेच के ड्रिंक करते क्या
Alma.
हाँ
Okay, permanent.
अरे नको नको भैया हमको नहीं तो
1 minute. Is very busy. Now. Okay, now you understood. See, whatever value of the goods I am delivering to the customer, same value I will not bill. Why? Because I will add profit. Correct or not? Here, when I am receiving the goods from the vendor, I don't know his profit, na? I don't know his profit, right? He said purchase order, we are selling for this. So that will based on the purchase order only, right? Same value we will take, same value we will get the invoice. But when it's coming to the, so here we don't know his value, na? We don't know his cost price, we don't know. But coming to here, we know our finished goods value, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So whatever is the value, here value means cost price. Correct. Here value means what? Same value you cannot read because here it is the selling price. You need a profit in the middle. So you cannot compare these two things. Your goods delivery will not be matching to your customer billing. Why? Because goods delivery will happen at the cost price basis. And invoice billing will happen at the selling price basis. Because there is a profit element in our books of accounts.
Yes.
Sir, who will decide that the selling price? Company.
Doesn't matter.
Management.
Who will decide? That is client's problem. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Their company, their cost price, their selling price. Correct. Yeah. Understood? So
Yes.
can I have a
Yes, sir.
GRIR account here? GRIR account here. Can I match and say?
No.
No, sir.
Not. Got it? Yeah. Whereas for the raw material purchase, we don't know the cost price. Na? We don't know. Whatever value is saying, same thing will come in the purchase order. Same thing should come from the invoice also. Correct. Vendor invoice. Correct. Yeah. So whatever purchase order, whatever vendor is telling, that will become our goods receipt value. Same way, invoice should also be same. But when it is coming to customer delivery, right? So in our books of account, we'll say we delivered value worth 100. But billing will take 150. Why? 50 rupees profit. Now customer does not know this. Only billing information he will have. Is it clear? Yeah. That's why we don't have the GRIR account. I don't know how many of you have understood, because, right? But this is the way you have to understand. GRIR we use only for the raw material side. Why? Because we have, there is a possibility, there is a 100% they should match. Purchase value should match to invoice price. But whereas here cost price and selling price element will come. So for goods value, we will always take cost price. Correct? In our company. But when we are billing, we will take the selling price. There is a profit element in the middle, so they will never match. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So you will be more clear when I am doing the cycle. At that time, it will be more clear.
Okay, sir.
Sir, please explain once again, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute.
GR.
Okay, let me take one example. Okay. See, understand. Suppose if it is P2P cycle, okay, let me take like this. Suppose we purchased raw material worth 10,000, correct? So purchase order created for 100 kgs at the rate of 100 rupees. So this 100 rupees, who told me? Vendor told. I don't know what is the value, correct? Whatever price is telling, that will be becoming my purchase order price, correct? So 100 rupees. So I got goods worth 10,000. So the bill also came for 10,000. Happy, correct? But when it is coming to finished goods, suppose we got the sales order, right? So in the sales order, we mentioned like this. So he is also asking 100 kgs at the rate of, we fix the selling price, na? Say 100 kgs at the rate of 100 rupees. That is this is our selling price. Correct or not? Yeah. When we are selling, we quote the selling price or cost price?
Selling price.
Selling price, sir.
Yeah, but goods delivery to customer, this is delivery we are posting, this entry we are posting in our system. Understand, this we will not tell customer, posting in our SAP system. Customer does not know this. This is an entry in our system, automated entry in our system. So now imagine the finished goods value is, finished goods value is 80 rupees. So it is, so 80 rupees into 80 into 100, correct? 80 into 100, that is the cost price, correct? So here how much? 8,000. Got it? Yes. Yeah. So this is what 80 rupees is our cost price. Correct? At cost price. Correct or not? In our system. So I have a stock. Correct? 500 kg stock is there. Each kg value is 80 rupees. From there only I am taking the. So I should take cost price or selling price? Cost price. Correct or not? So in my system, I will maintain the value of goods at cost price or selling price in my system.
Selling.
Cost price.
Cost price only.
Cost price. So here it is always cost price. Correct. Now in the billing, what I do? No, this is for 10,000, no, sales billing. So here what I will post? Customer to sales.
Yes.
Customer account is debited. How much? 10,000 to sales account.
Sales.
Credit. How much? 10,000. So now this will never match. Na? This and this will never match. This 8,000 and 10,000 will never match. Why? Because you got the point now. So never delivery will match to invoice. Never. Is it clear? Yeah. So
Yes.
whatever value is the goods delivered to customer, yeah, same value should not same value will not be issued to the customer because there is a profit element here. Correct? Yeah. 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 So this is not correct for the SD. Okay, so we will stop here for today. Tomorrow I will start the system configuration of SD. Okay, guys?
Sir,
Don't
I
worry.
have
This
sent
all
you
I am. Yes. Yeah. So this what all I discussed now, we are going to do it. You will practically see. Okay? Yes. Yeah, you were saying something?
Sir, sorry, I have sent you the resume.
Resume? Mm-hmm.
You have replied me, and again I edited some.
They will see. Just give me time till Saturday, right? Saturday I will reply. Everybody.
Sir, in goods delivery to the customer, system will post the only cost amount only. Right, sir?
Correct. Now this is, I have a stock in the go down. 100 kgs I have. Now I
Yes.
will value it at cost price or selling price?
Cost price only.
Cost. Because it is coming from production, I should
Production.
know the cost also.
It's
Na?
cost price only.
Cost price. From that I am giving 20 kgs. So the 20 kgs will I take at the selling price? No, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will take it as cost price in my system.
Yes, yes.
Got it? Yeah.
Sir, in MM01, what should I do if there is no standard raw material class?
No, I have given ROH raw material original. I told you last class. Original name I have given, right? Use that.
But sir, they deleted the standard one 3000.
Yeah, sir.
So that we will see. Yeah. So you try to use some other. If there is any problem, we will see.
Sir, we can use the
I
other,
tried, sir, but when I'm going to after some step after that, it was showing that for my raw material valuation class, it's not there. Let me see our screenshot.
So what is your company code?
TSL1.
TSL1, huh?
It is written, the error is, sir, the valuation class, TSRM. My TSRM is my valuation class, not allowed for the raw material ROH. When I tried to copy the other.
I'll see. Let me look at the server. Sorry?
Sir, we can use other one also, sir. There is a lot of, sir, we can copy it, sir. It worked.
Yeah, I tried,
it worked for you. Which one you copied?
Sir, SAP IDG is just, sir. First one, sir.
You try to IDG.
Yes, sir.
Say it once again.
Let me see. Yeah, usually it should work.
Yes, sir, it will work.
/nomst valuation class. Which one it is? Are you talking about this?
Sir, not only this in these standard keys, sir, like MWST, those standard one also we were not having. Again, lab faculty created and they have given for us, sir.
Okay. So just take their help, yeah, because this is creating problem. Just initially, just take their help, right? They will copy and create for you. Okay, guys. So we will meet tomorrow then. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Good night.